Career growth is a challenge, especially if you are in middle management. Some of you are progressing but with snail speed, and some are stuck. Believe me, it does not matter how much experience you have, which flashy degree or certificate you have. What matters is what you are bringing to the table. Based on my research, observation and practice, the growth especially towards CEO is for those who can help organizations to build something from ground up and make an outsized impact or transform a mess into results. To achieve both, you need to master the art and science of program management. If you are looking for career growth, join my program management movement. Thanks.